Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious, yummy blueberry cake. So here are a few of the ingredients that I took. So first of all, I took this whole big block of unsalted butter. And then I took 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's not baking soda, it's baking powder. Then I took 1.5 cup of sugar. Then some little bit of lemon zest. Then I made this lemon glaze by using 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's all you do for the lemon glaze. And then I'm using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 eggs. And here are the blueberries that I washed and dusted with flour. And I'm also using 3 cups of plain flour, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So here guys, in the 3 cups of flour, the plain flour, I'm going to add the 2 teaspoons of baking soda in this, and then I'm going to mix it. So here I've taken a bowl, a mixing bowl, and I'm going to add this 1 cube of butter in it. And then I'm going to add my sugar, and then we're going to whisk it with this whisker. To whisk it. So here it's done. So here I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a half. So that's done. And then we're going to whisk it. So here I'm just going to add the lemon juice, and then I'm going to add the lemon zest. Here I have whisked everything in, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of flour at a time, small amount, and then I'm going to whisk it. Then add another some of it. So do this until the whole flour is like finished. But I totally forgot to tell you guys, this buttermilk, it's additional. I'm just adding it in. And I'm going to whisk it. So here I have whisked everything in. I added the buttermilk, it's additional. I added the flour too. And now it's the time for the blueberries. So I'm gonna add them. And then I'm going to mix them. So here I have mixed the blueberries in, Now I'm just going to put it in my tin. Preheated my oven to 180 degrees. So I'm going to put that in the oven. And I'll show you the final look. So guys, it turns out super delicious and so spongy from inside. Do try it out. Tell me in the comments below. And share, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye!